What's up, foodie gang? Today we're going to learn how to make Polvito Uruguayo Canario, and it's a super typical dessert in the Canary Islands. Canary Islands are 8 islands that are in the southernmost region of Spain that are located in the Atlantic Ocean. It's super beautiful and there's tons of delicious food. So if you're looking for where to visit in Spain, you definitely need to consider the Canary Islands. But in addition to that, this is a very typical and delicious dessert. And the best part is it's super easy. So let's go ahead and get started with how to make Polvito Uruguayo Canario. First step on how to make Polvito Uruguayo is we're going to make our base, and we're going to do that by crushing up some Maria crackers. If you have a food processor, this makes it 20 times quicker. So definitely would use that if you have one. And if not, you can just crush it up by hand. We're going to put the Maria cookies to the side, and now we're going to melt our butter. So we're going to take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of butter, and we're going to melt that, and that's going to be used to basically make a more sturdier base with the Maria cookies. Now we're going to make our whipping cream. In Spain, they don't really sell whipping cream like already made for some reason. You have to make it yourself. So this is me making it myself, but if you have whipping cream, you could just skip this step. The whipped cream is done, you're going to crush up some meringues. So you want this to be crushed up into little pieces and not full dry meringues, because this is going to be part of the pastry, like a layer in the pastry. So important that it's crushed up. If you don't have a thing like an immersion blender, just crush it up with hands. Dry meringues are really easy to crush up. And now we're going to assemble the pastry, and we're going to start with the base, which is the Maria cookies with the butter. Next comes the dry meringues, and then comes the dulce de leche, and then comes the whipping cream. And you're going to do that, like continue those layers in that order until you fill up the container. So that's exactly what we're doing here. And while we finish assembling Polvito Uruguayo Canario, I want to tell you a little bit more about this dessert. Visit any of the Spanish Canary Islands, definitely expect to see Polvito Uruguayo Canario in a lot of restaurants' dessert menu. Almost always served in like a bowl, so the layers, I'm assuming, can mold well together. And it's very delicious. Depending on what restaurant you go to, they all serve it a different way. So some are on the sweeter side, some are not that sweet. Some are super decadent. It depends where you are, what it's gonna taste like, but it's fun to make it at home because it's so easy to make. It's literally almost effortless. I can guarantee that this will be done in 15 to 20 minutes. Definitely serve it chill, so make sure that it's cold. It'll taste better. Aside of that, feel free to make extra. This is a recipe that serves 4, but if you want to double up, obviously just double the ingredients in the recipe, and then they'll equal to 8 portions. Super easy to make, super delicious. A taste of the Spanish Canary Islands to your house. I hope you enjoyed this video and seeing how easy it is to learn how to make Polvito Uruguayo Canario. Very delicious. And if you try it, make sure you let me know in the comments how you like it. This is me doing a little bit of manual labor for the dry meringues. I was just crushing it up by hand, but super easy. I was able to do this within like not even 10 minutes. And then I just put it in the fridge to chill it. This version that I did a few days after the first version that you just saw. And yeah, ready in 10 minutes, super delicious, a crowd favorite. And I couldn't recommend this enough if you need something to make for dessert and you want to please a crowd. Yeah, that's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make Polvito Uruguayo Canario. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to share, like, and subscribe for more, and I'll see you in the next video.